If you are considering purchasing this course, then I reckon the chances are you probably fall into one of two categories. Either you are a writer who has heard about Scrivener and wants to know what all the fuss is about, and whether or not you should invest in buying the writing software that everyone seems to be talking about. Or else you already own a copy of Scrivener and are considering whether you should now make a time investment in order to get the most out of this incredibly powerful writing tool. If you are the first type of person, then my advice would be to not think twice. At $45, purchasing Scrivener will be one of the most prudent investments you will ever make as a writer. Whether you are a self-published author, a traditionally published author, a blogger, a copywriter, or even a student writing your theses, buying Scrivener is what is commonly known in the trade as a no-brainer. As it happens, this is actually a financial investment that I am pleased to say I made right at the very beginning of my career as a writer. I was, in fact, an early adopter of Scrivener. Unfortunately, although I had made a financial commitment in buying Scrivener, I then made the mistake of not following this up with the necessary time investment to make the most out of it. The result was that I ended up just using Scrivener as a fancy word processor for the next few years. Yes, it was still preferable to writing in Word or Pages, but it was only when I decided to get really serious about my writing that I revisited Scrivener and took the time to learn how to use this powerful software effectively. And if, like me back then, you fall into that second category, then my advice is that you should now definitely invest the time in learning how to use Scrivener properly. But this is not your run-of-the-mill basic course, where you will be spoon-fed at every turn on how to use each and every feature of Scrivener. There are some excellent beginner courses out there, and indeed Scrivener's own tutorials may suffice to get you up and running and familiar with the basics of the software. Instead, this course is an over-the-shoulder look at how Scrivener has become an integral part of my own writing process. It is the one software program that I use every single day in all aspects of my writing. And in this course, I will specifically show you how you can use Scrivener in the researching of your book, in the outlining of your book, in the writing of your book, in the rewriting and editing of your book, in the promoting of your book through the setting up of your book's front and back matter, and finally, in the compiling of your book into different formats. Since I took the time to learn how to use Scrivener properly, I have written regularly, I have written quickly, and I have written with purpose. And I have no doubt at all that Scrivener has helped play a huge role in me becoming a more productive writer. So I hope you will now give me the opportunity to help you also become a more productive writer by unlocking the power of the incredible writing software that is Scrivener. Okay, so that is a brief overview of what the course entails. Feel free to check out the preview videos, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside.